In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can freeze frame in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Premiere Pro, and from here I have this footage right here that I would want to freeze frame. So to do that, it's simple. You just need to right click on your footage right here or your clip, and then from here you will now be able to see the frame hold options right here. So in here you can go for add frame hold, and then from here on your playhead, it will now make a cut. And from here, you have the left side and the right side. The left side are the frozen frames right here. And what comes after that are the frozen frames. So the frames that is beyond this playhead will now be frozen. As you can see, they are not moving. And then you can feel free to expand them as long as you like. And yeah, you can modify them right here. Now let's go for the other options in our frame hold. So you can right click again and then go into frame hold options. In this one, you will now be able to see here on hold on or hold filters right here. You can also go for the source time code in and out point. So if you have that, then you can also do it right here. And you also have the frame time right here. You can also input the specific time that you would want to frame hold. So that's it. And then you could also right click in here and then you can insert frame hold segment. So basically what this does is that there is a frozen frame here in the middle wherein this is the frozen frame, and then what goes after that will be not frozen. So when I play through it, so you'll now be able to see that there will be a frozen frame for a second and then back in motion after that. So that's it on how you'd be able to add freeze frame on Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.